Shut up. Look at this. Hello everyone, so today we're gonna try out our new makeup sets from R.E.M Beauty. We got the Wicked collab.
Because I knew you.
Wicked for good. Yes, I know. I couldn't help myself. It's just too good. Without further ado, drum rolls please. Cue the music.
It's the other Huda, not the one you knew to. She's here to share reviews, perhaps a laugh or two to.
Hello everyone, good morning. So we're gonna get ready for today. Usually I like to wear my outfit later, but no time, so just gonna get a towel to cover my outfit. So I just got these in the mail and I'm like excited to try these. It's so cute actually, the packaging. To be honest, when I first saw the trailer for the first Wicked, I was so excited. I was like, Wicked is finally in the theaters, in the movie theaters. I was like, did not disappoint. Something has changed within me. Something is not the same.
Something has changed within me.
I think we'll try out our Glinda box because I think I'm more of dressed in, I'm all pink today, so we're gonna try out our Glinda box. But first, we're gonna need to do our today's prep and prime. Prep and prime. I literally finished this. This is really good, by the way. It looks very plump, juicy, refreshed. We need some eye drops because I'm like, I need to have bright eyes. So I'm gonna prime with the 50 PA++++++++. I use up my products, so you won't see any wastage here. Maybe we can squeeze out. You gotta do the fold, then you get the last, squeeze out the last bit. We need some sunscreen, so I like this one because it has the SPF, so, and it's 50. Throughout the day we use our trusty La Roche-Posay, La Roche-Posay, La Posay Rocher, La Rosy Cozy, Cozy Rosy, Row
your boat gently down the stream.
We use this one throughout the day. Keep it in your bag. Spritz every 2 to 3 hours, especially if you're out in the sun. UV index is quite high over here, but it's great.
We ain't getting enough vitamin D deficiency.
I'm such a huge fan of musicals, so I was excited when I saw Wicked in the theaters. It's really fun to go to with like your friends and family, just to sing along. I'm like that person that's like, don't sing, because it's so like, the music first of all is really good, so it's like, it's really catchy.
My power over you.
And engaging, and then you're like suddenly, you know, singing along. I grew up with those Disney musicals. I'm the Disney musicals kid. That was watching Lion King and singing along. I think we're gonna go with a simple, you know, practical makeup day. My skin's not looking too bad today. I'm like, you know what? I think I'm going to
Not do any foundation.
So yeah, like good prep and just some concealer and color correcting just works sometimes. Leave it at that. So yeah, no, I was like that Disney kid. I love singing along to something. I remember when I lived in New York, oh, I really loved to go to Broadway. It was one of those save up your coins for, or I just go to a show with me and my friends and just like stand around and wait. You could try to hawk some good ticket prices, like if you go to this show and just wait, and whoever doesn't show up, you can get a good deal on the no-shows, right? That's what I did. And sometimes I try to get like discounts. But yeah, I really miss going to Broadway. To be honest, I think one of my favorite shows on Broadway is Phantom of the Opera, actually.
Sing!
I really love the theatrics of it. It's really, you know, beautiful. So we're gonna try our Wicked. First of all, I love the packaging. It's just cute. I haven't tried anything from R.E.M, so this is also a first for that. So let's see. So this is our first time trying R.E.M Wicked. We're good.
Couldn't be happier.
It's more important than ever.
Glinda makeup set. Actually, look at this. This is so cute. To be honest, I like the marketing of this brand. I like that it's like there's a futuristic vibe. I really love that. I really love the attention to detail, actually. Hopefully, we'll get this out. Why every time? I feel like I should just take out things from the box before I start the video, and that way it's easier. At this point, we're watching me struggle with opening packages. I think that's just my whole channel now. When you got products on your hand, it gives you butterfingers. Look at that, it's just so beautiful. Oh no, you can't tell me that this just doesn't look beautiful, the packaging. This is beautiful packaging. Like, you can see that attention to detail. That is just so beautiful. It is giving, I think, Glinda vibes with the flowers. That is so... And look at the sparkles. Oh, shut up. Why are you doing this to us, huh? Why are you doing this to us, Ari? Why are you doing this to us? Making us buy another makeup set. You got us again. She knew what the girls wanted. She really did. She really knew. Look at this. Just
Good job!
beautiful set. It's so beautiful. First of all, you got me on the glitter alone. Besides the glitter, the packaging is just so beautiful. So I'm definitely going to be using this. I think we're going to start with... Oh, so this is like an all-over glow stick. So this is going to be our highlighter. This is our glossy bomb. And this is our liquid eyeshadow. So I think we're going to start with our liquid eyeshadow. So I like to go with finish the eyes and then go down from there. I think our gel, I'm just going to use just a tinted brow, another tinted brow gel, just to give it some color. We're not gonna go too dark because I don't want like the eyebrows to take over to the look. We want the rest of our look to be the highlight. We want our eyeshadow and our gloss to be our highlight. Oh, that is very pretty. Put it on the other side. Pat it down. I'm gonna do another coat of it. You can see right now it's just like a little bit brighter. So I'm gonna do another coat. We're gonna get some of our liquid primer. Yeah, this is from e.l.f. We want it to show up. Like, it did show up. I want to see that purple. I want to see that, you know, I want to see that lavender color. Okay. Now I'm just going to set that. Going to use this Innisfree powder. Okay, now we really got that covered. Now we're gonna try again. It looked good the first time around, it really did, but I just want it to pop even more. Okay, yeah. We could do also, by the way, like, I think if you would do a purple base, it'll show up even more, but I just want this. I want the shine. I want this shine. I just want this shine, yeah. Yes. This is really, really good. I'm getting emotional about it. It just looks so good, the palette. Okay, gonna line the bottom. I really love like a good purple liner. You can see is I'm going to use my eyeshadow primer just to give it like to lighten my I got this purple mascara, so we're gonna use that. I'm trying to keep that like white, white mascara and just like give it like a little purple tint. This looks so cute. Need some purple blush. Just get look cute. Actually, it's not too much. Like I feel like it's just like the right amount. Yeah, just gives you like the right amount shine. This is really nice, by the way. It's just easy glide. We should add some sparkles. Why not? We're having our Glinda moment. I don't have any particular pattern. I'm just like, more is more. I'm just feeling sparkly. Can add more. I think I'll leave like the button part of my nose. That is just so cute. We're so sparkling. I guess we'll do our lips now. Nice and hydrated. I don't know if this color will show up, but we'll see. Yeah, this is like, I would have liked it to be a tad bit darker, but it's not bad. It gave us our outline so we can do our gloss. This is the most excited I am from all the products. Excited to try this. Yeah, like there's a little sparkle. Actually, the gloss is pretty good. It's not like a extremely sticky glue. It's not a extremely tacky kind of a gloss. And it has a little sparkle. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's visible, but there is a little sparkle, but it looks nice. First, we're gonna get rid of this bonnet. Just give me a minute.
5 minutes later.
Oh my god, this works, right? Is it me or I don't know? I'm like all of the pearls. I feel like I think this works, right? It's cute. Cute little dainty earrings. That looks so cute. Because I knew you, I changed for good.
Because I knew you.
Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love this look. Yes. If you can still find this box set, get it. A lot of future looks coming from this set, that's for sure. It's so cute. I'm loving this. You know, I'm having my Glinda moments.
Gravity, and you can't pull me down. Can't I make you understand? You're having